Right guys, I'm going to give you a real OG junglist perspective on this Amigo plugin from someone who's actually used an Amiga back in the day. So let's get into it.
Charlie says always tell your mommy and daddy before using Amigo.
Introducing Amigo VST. Relive the low-fi magic of the Commodore Amiga era. Downsample WAV, AIFF, MP3 to 8-bit, 22K HC.
Big up to Stecker and Potenza DSP 1993. Yeah, big up, man.
Trigger sounds in chromatic mono, polyphonic, chord, or slice mode. Vintage time stretching and phase control for unique effects. Bass with alternating loop. Chord memory mode for added chord effect. Akai style beat time stretching. More cool chord memory effects.
It may not sound like an Amiga, but it definitely sounds like an Amigo. What we also want to know is, does this plugin actually stack up against the old hardware? Let's find out. Okay guys, so I'm going to load up the raw break on the old Amiga just to check it out, see what it sounds like. Here it is. Let's just load it in and let's have a listen. Okay, excellent. So we got that in the pot, yeah? Right guys, so there you have the comparison from the Amiga, and I'm going to load in samples from Jungle Warfare. For those of you who don't know, Jungle Warfare was one of the go-to places, apart from early breaks and vinyl crate digging. Before Jungle Warfare came on the scene, Jungle Warfare was able to collate a lot of the breaks that you hear in Jungle today, and the old school Jungle, for a matter of fact. And a lot of the guys used to take those breaks and they were CD quality and put them straight into the Akais, etc. So what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to actually use that as a source rather than using a break that's already been processed and sampled and possibly not authentic. Back to the video. Okay guys, so we're ready to start our experiment. Here we have side by side the Amigo on this channel, and we have the Amiga original taken straight from the Amiga on this channel. So what we're going to do is play them back to back and have a listen to both of them. Okay, it doesn't sound exactly the same, but bearing in mind it is a software emulation. Now what we can do here now is turn down the sample rate here to get a better sound. It's pretty close though, you know what I mean? I can't knock it. Maybe some EQ. Right, I'm going to try taking the pitch up a bit because it sounds like the pitch is a bit low as well. It's weird. All right, anyways, it's real close, and you know, it's not bad. You can tweak your way out of it. So on to the next thing. Let's check out some of the stuff this thing can do, because I know you can do stuff on here that's pretty dope. Okay, so I want to show you something, guys. Now, to automate most plugins in Renoise, you just need to have the instrument automation. There's also stuff like macros, MIDI control. Guys, comment down below. Let me know what you use to automate and cool stuff that you can do in Renoise. Let the community know. All right, so let's go. So now, once you load that automation into your track with your VST, we want to put the instrument automation. And when you go to the instrument automation here, look, you've got all these parameters that you can mess around with. So you could even mess with the stretch. Yeah, check this out. And all that could be automated from here, right? So you'd be going, all this will now show here. You turn on your stretch and you go. And then up here you could just get your whatever, your little freaking line or draw, whatever you want. Obviously this would be on or off. I don't think you could go gradually into it. I think this is an on and off thing. Let's have a look. Oh, dope. Wait. Yeah, that's dope. Right, so let's start again. So we're gonna go bring that down here. Right, so we turn this on, and then we just turn the amount that we kind of sync by here, I believe, to 1/8, I think it is, 1/8 or half or something. Try that. Yeah, there you go. Right. Just so we can loop that bit, and then here, what you see here would be the automation at this point. So let's see where we are. Zoom out a bit so we can see what we're doing. So it'll be here from the 32. No. So from 1 to 32 we have him on. Oh, you hear that? Oi, listen. Oi, listen, there's trouble coming here. I could smell it. I could smell it. I could smell it. Right, here we go. Turn that one off. Dub plate wars incoming. Yeah, check this out. So we're going to put that there. And then we're going to turn off this. Oh, no, I don't like that. Undo. I want it to go delete. So delete, because we've got the snare. So we want that like that. Oh. Delete that, delete that. Bloody hell, man. It's some Amiga on steroids business. Alright, it's not as the same sound as the Amiga, but I smell something different coming along here that's on the next level, man. Like, that we never had this kind of technology back in the day. Right, now I just want to just time switch just a snare. Right, turn the half back on from here. Let's. Oh, that's so dope, man. Are we here? It's here we're doing it. Why are we? What's going on here? Right, turn that off a minute. We better start saving that. Guys, if you're getting anything out of this video, please like, share and subscribe. I put a ton of research into this video, man. This video was actually over an hour long, and I've had to condense it down to 10 minutes. I will be putting some unseen footage of this video into my Patreon. For those of you who want to subscribe to the Patreon, I'll make it available to the members on the channel as well. So once again, guys, thank you for watching, and if you want to see more videos like this, give us a thumbs up. Peace out.